Here we are again with Niagara Falls, coming from this business. The water just rushing. And running and cooling. Get the water just running. It's moving from the force and the amount of water in my backyard. This is the second day of rain, and it goes straight to pool. Runs over here, fills, soaks, and then we have a pool, an absolute pool of water. And this is the rest of my backyard. So no, it's not from flooding. There's nothing rushing here. It's all from this business. Destroying other people's property and the city allowing it, apparently.